What up guys, Elementalqt here, and today I'm going to give you a preview of an upcoming video that's kind of been brewing up in my head. You see, thunderstorms in themselves are extremely entertaining, but if you add the element of trick shots, it could be even more epic. So in this video guys, it's a short preview of my upcoming full-length version of Thunderstorm trick shotting. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoy this short preview of the Thunderstorm trick video. Until next time guys, Elemental out. Peace.